Can you all hear me? Chat में बता दीजिए so that we know that everyone is able to listen to us. Bumpy per se, but it's definitely been a very interesting expiry. Reason being कि हम लोग देख रहे हैं एक बहुत important psychological level को retest होते हैं. So I'm just trying to figure out if audio is there on my YouTube live stream also. And yes, nice. I can hear myself on YouTube. That is good. Okay. So I'll just share my screen now. Hi Gagan, how are you? How's it going? Screen share. I don't know why I hadn't done that earlier. But यहाँ पर आप मेरा screen देख सकते हो. I hope. Can you all see the screen? Can you all see Nifty? Can you all see Nifty trying to come back up from below 18,000? Nifty rising like a phoenix. Phoenix Market City या Phoenix Mills वाला Phoenix नहीं, but the Phoenix that rises from the ashes. हम लोग देख सकते हैं that Nifty was actually below 18,000 for a huge portion of the day. अगर हम लोग 18,000 as a level को mark करते हैं, let's say we do this, then we can see that लंबाई खींच देते हैं, why not? We can see कि November में actually 3rd November we did see an open below 18,000. But उसके बाद the market was very prompt in holding above 18,000 as a level. हम लोग ने यहाँ पे 18,300 देखा था. And this actually happened on the day after Guru Nanak Jayanti और गुरुपुरब. और हम लोग ने यहाँ पे क्या देखा? SGX Nifty was very positive. After that we saw 18,300 open followed by a fall. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने देखा था that prices fell quite a lot. 18,120 का हम लोग ने जो level बताया था that you will see on the larger time frame also shortly, वो retest हुआ and now we are yet again trading below this 18,120 level. In fact, अगर हम लोग देखते हैं then as I showed you, यहाँ पे हम लोग 18,000 के नीचे भी थे. So what does that mean? And what does it mean कि यहाँ पे हम लोग एक recovery देख रहे हैं? मेरे हिसाब से क्या कह रहा है that the market has actually retested lower levels. So अगर ये वाला level माने हम लोग, then in a way the market has retested the weaker hands as it says, and it might be trying to come back up. क्योंकि अगर उसे 18,000 के ऊपर रहना है, then it will have to make sure that the buyers and the sellers feel and believe that they can hold prices above. अगर 18,300 रहता है but the sentiments are not that bullish or that is not backed up by enough buying that we can see, then उसका मतलब नहीं होता. So I feel right now is that retest period that we saw. और आगे चल के देखते हैं, maybe we see a close somewhere around here tomorrow or something. अगर कल 120 के ऊपर रहता है, I think then the prices will be quite bullish. अगर 120 के ऊपर नहीं रह पाता कल, then also is fine. I mean the market always moves when it wants to move. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बोलूंगा कल 120 के ऊपर तो कल ही जाएगा. So we'll see, we'll wait and watch. But I feel if prices really are bullish, then कल यहाँ पे close आना चाहिए. So let's see if that actually happens. So this is Nifty. बैंक निफ्टी देख लेते हैं. बैंक निफ्टी के लिए what we can see is something similar. हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि 41,300 का जो लेवल है वो आज रीटेस्ट किया है, एंड इन जनरल वी कैन सी बैंक्स हैव बीन अ लिटिल बेटर व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द मार्केट. हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि 41,000 रीटेस्ट लास्ट हुआ था प्रैक्टिकली एक ही बार यहाँ पे हुआ है. दिस इज द वन दैट वी कैन सी, बट बिफोर दैट वी कैन सी इट हैपेंड बैक इन अक्टूबर व्हिच इज 10 days ago. और यहाँ पर हम लोग देख रहे हैं 41,300 को होल्ड होता. And this is a level that was broken and then we saw up move from there. So again, banks appear to be a little better, partially because PSU banks in general काफी hold अच्छा कर पाए थे. Let's just take a closer look at what the rest of the stocks and indices are also telling us. यहाँ पे मैं अगर निफ्टी 50 सर्च करता हूँ then this is a result that I have made, क्योंकि since I open this page fairly frequently, money control के Indian indices में if you open Nifty 50 और Bank Nifty, तो आपको दिखेगा that which stocks are exactly contributing how much to Nifty. So यहाँ पर हम लोग देख सकते हैं HDFC banks and banks in general have contributed a lot. Whereas if you see Reliance, then उसने काफी नीचे ड्रैग किया है मार्केट को. So if someone asks कि निफ्टी क्यों ऊपर गया है, then it is because of these stocks, और ये stocks जो है नीचे ड्रैग कर रहे हैं. We can see Bajaj Finserv Twins are down by a fair bit. So उसी के बारे में हमें ज्यादा general information मिलेगा यहाँ पे, because here we can see Hero Motors is the top gainer for Nifty, followed by HDFC, followed by Kotak and so on. और losers में अगर हम देखते हैं, then this is the list. Tamo down the most. Tata Motors क्यों down है? Can someone tell me on YouTube or on Creator? Why is Tata Motors down? Any reason why there was a dip? Market crashed today. Tomorrow it will rise again. Did you trade? Is this a good sign? Will Nifty touch 20K today? This year. Thanks for correcting that, Atul. I got a little concerned, because if Nifty is to hit 20K today, then to scene ho gaya. But yeah, this year again, we did discuss something along those lines on Tuesday. Long answer short karu, then I don't think so. But I'll tell you why. In the meanwhile, why is Tata Motors down today? Why is it down today? Can someone tell me? Or why could it be? See, there are a million reasons why. स्टॉक मार्केट या कोई भी मार्केट के अंदर हमें कभी भी 100% एक्यूरेसी से एक रीजन बहुत रेयरली पता चलता है. देयर आर ऑलवेज सेवरल रीजंस एंड देयर आर सेवरल हिडन रीजंस व्हाई समथिंग कैन हैपन. बट द रिस्पॉन्स हियर इज, आई मीन, इट्स फेयरली सिंपल. एक तो ये है कि द लॉस हैज वाइडेंड मोर देन एक्सपेक्टेड. So there has been an unexpected increase in the loss. I think 940 crore या वैसा कुछ था. I don't remember the amount, but the loss has widened, which was not expected, which is not a pleasant sign. उसके साथ वो लोग ने बोला है कि they will be delisting the ADRs. ADRs जो है, that is basically the Tata Motors के जो shares है, in a very crude sense of the word, are being traded in America. They are going to delist those. So वो सारा चीज साथ में मिल के 5% down है Tata Motors. रही बात whether you should look into it or not, I feel as of now it does not appear to be a very strong purchase. But here is the beauty of technical analysis. See, on Tuesday, हमारे Tuesday के live stream में, we were talking whether technical analysis is good with price action or with indicators. So उसके अंदर मैंने कहा था कि देखो दोनों ही अच्छे हैं, there is no one best way. But यहाँ पे हम लोग एक चीज देख पा रहे हैं. This as a zone could have been a resistance. Why? I'll tell you. I'll mark it a little better. This is zone in general. Why? यहाँ पे हम लोग ने देखा एक थोड़ा सा बाउंस आया, देन पुल बैक, एंड देन वी सॉ रेजिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हियर. सो वन कुड हैव सेड कि ये एक अच्छा जोन है रेजिस्टेंस लेने के लिए, एंड राइट फ्रॉम दैट जोन इटसेल्फ हम लोग ने सेलिंग देखा है. अनदर थिंग दैट वी कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे उसका 200 MA है. अगर 200 MA को रिजेक्ट कर रहा है, देन दैट इज नॉट अ गुड साइन. यहाँ पे उसका 20 MA है, 20 MA से ऊपर गया है. सो the question of indicators versus price action is age old, and it will remain age old for eternities to come. But what does not remain to be told is that both have their use cases. Coming back to the point, I don't think यहाँ पे it is a very good trade, but you never know, यहाँ से bounce भी हो सकता है, because see, you can see 20 MA here. हम लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे उसने थोड़ा range breakout जैसा दिया है. So let's see how the market shapes up tomorrow. उसके साथ साथ what I also feel is important to understand is कि market as a whole का bias कौन से side पे है. So as of now हम लोग देख सकते हैं for Nifty, prices have gone up significantly in October, and they are really trying to hold those higher levels also in November. देखते हैं who succeeds, bulls or bears. Depending on that, the rest of the market will also follow. So that would be my view on Tata Motors. Because of quarterly report, yeah, that's actually the answer. Ravindra, thanks for upvoting the channel. Yeah, again, whether it's the right time or not, I am not too sure. I would not personally buy at this stage. What do you prefer, price action or indicators? Harsha, please check out Tuesday's live stream recording. We discussed 15-20 minutes worth of that. So I'd love to repeat it, but in the interest of time, it would be nice if you can just check the recording of that on Creator or on YouTube. Can you suggest any short-term investment stocks? Rohit, typically our swing trading list comes out every weekend. हम लोग weekend पे दो videos डालते हैं. By हम लोग I mean me and my father. We work jointly and we both share the YouTube channel. एक होता है इंटरेस्टिंग कैंडल्स, दूसरा होता है स्विंग ट्रेडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ये दो वीडियोस के अंदर you will find a list of stocks. There are a lot of stocks in this list and there are various types of setups. कोई में breakout हो सकता है, कोई में reversal हो सकता है, कोई में momentum हो सकता है, pullback. So in that everything is there. The reason why why we have that is because every week whenever the week's price action has ended, we are able to identify. So that is the rationale. You can still check out that video. उसमें काफी सारे valid stocks रहेंगे अभी. But more importantly, today is an expiry. Let's not forget. हमारे thumbnail में ही आज Thursday expiry live market analysis. So let's see how the expiry is doing 5-minute chart पे. And this is to, of course, see, this is going to be very late data in a way. क्योंकि 3 बजे के बाद ऑप्शन चेन देखने का उतना कुछ खास मतलब होता नहीं है. But still, if we take a look, then what we find is there is a lot of call selling, call writing, call OI happening at 18,050 itself. And there is a lot of put OI at 18,000, which means कि जो बड़े players हैं, पहले से ही उन लोग ने ये 50 पॉइंट का रेंज रखा है माइंड के अंदर. So it's not that this will always be the range, but invariably more often than not it ends up being, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक अपर लिमिट ऑफ सॉर्ट्स लोगों ने माइंड में डाली है, यहाँ पे एक लोअर लिमिट डाली है. एंड व्हाट इज दिस बेस्ड ऑन? दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन मनी, बिकॉज इट इज अ बंच ऑफ पीपल सेइंग कि मैं पैसा लगा रहा हूं दैट 18,050 के ऊपर नहीं हो पाएगा. एंड जनरली द पीपल हु आर सेलिंग दीज बिग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, they are the ones who have a huge role to play in where Nifty is going. इसलिए हम लोग generally कहते हैं कि ये OI के हिसाब से रेंज क्या हो रही है. So based on OI range, again 18,000, 1850, very narrow range. Typically we do see a 100-point range, but then again 3.25 हो गया है, so maybe that is also one of the reasons. So you can make out the range using OI. Generally, ideally you look at OI throughout the day. You don't just look at it at 3 o'clock. यहाँ पे for bank nifty, very interestingly, we are seeing highest call OI at 41,600. Means कि it is likely कि bank nifty actually closes below 41,600. And for the put OI, the highest one that we can see is around 500. So for bank nifty, maybe 41,500 to 600. अभी फिलहाल कहाँ पे है? We can see it's at 602. So maybe based on the sentiments, ऐसा लग रहा है that maybe bank nifty might just come down and it might not be able to close at a high. Again, this is purely based on the OI. It is not based on anything more than that. अगर हम लोग निफ्टी देखे, then we can see Nifty's high is around 80 points away from where it is at, or bank nifty is what, 50 points away. So you can imagine how much bank nifty has managed to recover. ये किसके वजह से हुआ है? As we saw, HDFC Bank, it did open with a gap down just like the rest of the market, but हम लोग ने वो follow through अच्छा देखा है. And important thing to consider is कि this is despite Axis Bank opening much lower than the rest of the market. Axis Bank, of course, there is an OFS. There is an OFS in Axis Bank. OFS का मतलब क्या होता है? Can someone tell me what is OFS? What's happening with Axis Bank? I got a call from Telegram to buy Kohinoor Foods. It'll touch 100 from 60. No one knows, Gagan. See, there is a very interesting thought experiment that is done with these calling and tipping services. We'll talk about that sometime if we have time. I'll take a look at the stock. बट इन जनरल आई डोंट गो बेस्ड ऑन दोज टिप्स टिपिकली. एक्सिस बैंक में क्या हो रहा है, क्या आप कोई बता सकता है मुझे? What is happening with Axis Bank? And can you all hear me? Okay, no problem. Axis Bank में basically there's an OFS, meaning government is going to sell 1.55% of their stake via public open market. और इसमें क्या होगा that basically whatever holdings the government is having, you will be able to buy those holdings. Naturally, सीधी बात है, goes without saying, अगर इतना बड़ा amount बेचना है, then it will have to be done at a price which is lower than the current market price. So इसी वजह से prices are coming down. Theoretically, they might converge, they might not converge. Depends on how many shares government is selling and how many shares people want to buy. That's what's happening with Axis Bank. Back to Nifty, here we can see that prices are trying to inch upwards, thoda, and we can see Bank Nifty is still holding above 600 for now. Dekhte hain if the option chain is proven wrong. Offer for sale. Can you see my message, Henry? No, so sorry, I couldn't see your message. My phone is not showing me YouTube chat. I don't know why. Let me just refresh YouTube app and should be able to see your chat then, hopefully. Yes, I can see your chat now. How about the folks on Crater? Crater folks, can you all hear me? Wow. So yeah, will Nifty rise again tomorrow? No one knows. Let's see, because there are a lot of things that are happening in the world right now, including but not limited to the US elections. So US midterms जो है उसमें का भी impact आता है. Several reasons, one of them mainly being global markets plus FIIs. Depending on how US political situation evolves, FIIs may or may not want to invest in other markets, which is why these important news events are important. So that is what's up. Reliance देख लेते हैं, one of the key draggers for today, and again we can see why. हम लोग देख रहे थे कि basically Nifty was not able to hold even anywhere close to its high for the day, and Reliance is the reason. We can see it is down by around 27 points from its high. To be honest, not a very big number also. Reliance is known कि ऐसे फट करके ऊपर चला जाएगा. 11 मिनट है, 11 मिनट के अंदर I doubt that will happen, but yeah, let's say we were sitting at 230 and this was the scenario, I would have said that yeah, there is a chance that Reliance can just bounce up from here and fly to the moon. Let's look at Infosys. Infosys also doing fairly well. हम लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं previous close का resistance high and then prices went down. Let's look at TCS also while we're at it. TCS also looking fairly similar. अगर हम लोग देखते हैं overall market, considering the sectors and all, कैसा लग रहा है, then this is the list. We can see all sectors are red, which means not a single sector is positive per se. चाहे आप IT ले लो, banks ले लो, कोई भी ले लो, everything is down. And if you look at the broad market indices, very interestingly, India VIX is also down by 2%. जनरली क्या होता है, अगर मार्केट वाइड हम लोग बेरिशनेस देख रहे हैं, when there is blood on the streets, red blood on the streets, तभी इंडिया विक्स is a little higher. That's not what we're seeing here. So maybe this was an expectation. Maybe लोगों के माइंड में 18,300 was too high of a value, and now that the retest has happened, they're more comfortable. Coming back to Bank Nifty, हम लोग देख रहे हैं that top is forming. This top is forming here, as we discussed. 41,600 शायद क्रॉस ना करे. Maybe it goes down, maybe it closes closer to this level. As it is likely close going to be somewhere around here only. So अगर as long as ये एरिया में रहता है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, टेंशन नहीं है. For Nifty 18,030, it's really threatening those higher levels. But as we know, market works on an average close. So 3 यहाँ पे बजे थे, अभी यहाँ पे है, मे बी लाइकली क्लोज इज समवेयर अराउंड हियर इटसेल्फ 18,000 के आसपास. So even if it goes up maybe even to 1840 or so, it is still not likely to close above 1850, which is the option chain ka limit as we discussed. Any thoughts on investment in Adani stocks? Atul, I trade in Adani stocks in the sense कि जब भी नीचे आता है अच्छे लेवल पे, that time I buy, I sell when it goes higher. Investing के हिसाब से I'm not a very big fundamentals guy क्योंकि मैं उतना time spend नहीं करता fundamentals पे. But I do know I cannot ignore the fact कि वो लोग सब बोलते हैं कि the debt and all is a little high. Which indicator is good? Any indicator that helps you analyze is good. I hate to give you such a generic vague answer, but end में कैसा हो सकता है कि ultimately if you are more comfortable with, let's say there are 5 indicators. One is MACD, one is ADX, one is Bollinger Bands, one is MA, one is RSI. 5 random indicators that I've named, and let's say you are most comfortable with these two. Now these two I am not very comfortable with, which is why I don't use them. आपको ये comfort लग रहा है, आप analyze कर पा रहे हो, आपका पैसा बन रहा है, best. What else do we want? So I will always say कि go for the indicator that you like, not for the indicator that everyone else says works. What is India VIX? India VIX is basically the uncertainty. It is the volatility index. Volatility मतलब क्या होता है? Let's say this is the expected price. Volatility means how far are we from the expectations and how many times are we going far. तो अगर समझो expectations ये route के हैं and we are roughly sticking to this route, then we can say okay, low volatility. Maybe VIX reading might be 10% or something. But if this is the expected route and we are seeing volatility like this, then this means the VIX that is there is high. Maybe in this case, the VIX might even be 80%. That is what we saw during COVID crash. So if I show you VIX के भी charts होते हैं, volume is not a very good indicator according to me, but many people do use it. So to those who can interpret volume well and to those who have integrated it well, fair enough. मेरे लिए तो it doesn't really work as well, इसलिए मैं उतना use नहीं करता. This is the weekly chart. This is India VIX का chart weekly, and we can see volatility spiked. What does that mean? यहाँ पे prices were going wild. Along with that, we were also seeing कि options के जो prices होते हैं, which relates to the option chains that we were speaking about, were very high. So I distinctly remember around 500, 600 points, 40M options were still around 100 to 300 rupees in premium, which is a ridiculous amount if you know about options. This is back during COVID. This is the line chart, by the way, and these are the candles. So use whichever you are comfortable with, but if you're trading, to candles or bar charts are practically mandatory. Bank Nifty edging higher. What's your style of trading? Right now, my main style of trading is more on swing trading and positional trading. In a lighter sense of the word, my main style of trading right now is staying as far away from day trading as possible. Reason being, I have my exam coming in on 26th, and it's a CFA level 2 exam, and that is why I've been focusing more on preparations for that exam rather than sitting in front of the chart all day. So अगर मैं डे ट्रेड करता हूँ तो मेरा 6 घंटा उसमें चला जाएगा. But if I spend that 6 hours studying, then it might be better for me. So after the exam, my answer will change. As of now, it's swing positional. If you are new to options, the most important advice is that आप एकदम ध्यान से risk manage करो. Do not get tempted by big P&L screenshots. Rather, Focus on losing as little money as you can, क्योंकि ऑप्शंस ट्रेड करोगे लॉसेस होने वाले हैं. आई द रीजन व्हाई आई एम शोइंग यू माय चैनल इज बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैंने किधर तो डाला है. Yeah, should beginners start F&O trading? Can you become crorepati trader with 500% ROI? See, these are clickbait titles, I know, but they are useful. So you do check these out and you will find your answer about, managing risks. वो भी share कर देता हूँ आपके साथ. And while you are at it, subscribe कर लो यार channel को. Creator पे follow कर लो. We're 85 people on Creator. And we are 18 people on the stream. So that means if 3 of you have subscribed or followed already, we will hit that 100 mark if the rest 15 do. Which all markets do you trade in? As of now, it's just equity markets. But I have traded in futures and options, of course. That's why I'm talking about F&O today. Along with that, I have also traded in Forex. Forex, I also teach. So if you Google me, then you will find more information about me and Forex. So yeah, let's see. Nifty about to close. Last 2.5 minutes. Bank Nifty अच्छा कर रहा है. Bank Nifty is closing right around that high, which is very good. और ये high भी as such you saw it was rejected high. It is not like वो high मस्त यहाँ पे एक दो candle रहा था. ये rejected high है. So very fact it's closing this high for 4-5 candles. It's very important sign. Any chat on YouTube? Nope. Henry, what happened? Why are you so quiet? I've opened YouTube chat specifically for you, my man. Let's see. Which market is better, Forex or crypto? Crypto market, अभी अगर कोई बोलता है कि crypto market अच्छा है तो कैसे चलेगा? Crypto market bloodbath में. Let me see if I can crypto market. Let's see. I don't know if this will show us an accurate thing. Yeah, I hope it does. This is the first time or second time I'm looking at this website, so pardon me if I'm not able to navigate around it. But crypto market is in a bloodbath. हम लोग देख सकते हैं Bitcoin is absolutely demolished. This Sunday Bitcoin was 20,700 or something. और अभी एकदम नीचे आ गया है, गिर गया है. Pennies on the dollar. We'll just wait for the Indian market to close and then I'll quickly show you Bitcoin. Forex market is also not a joke. It is very volatile and it is a legal gray area also. क्रिप्टो मार्केट फिर भी आरबीआई ने कहा कि टैक्स प्रॉफिट होगा, टैक्स लेने आएंगे, लॉस होगा, आपको टैक्स की माफी नहीं दी जाएगी. सो at least RBI had acknowledged it, even though it was unfriendly. At least they acknowledged the existence and the possibility of trading crypto here in India. Forex market is still a gray area. There are reasons for that related to FEMA, so you can Google that if you please. But that is this thing. Bank Nifty. टिपिकली ये चीज होती है, लास्ट टिक में हम लोग थोड़ा सा फॉल देखते हैं एंड मार्केट्स हैव क्लोज्ड. वी आर सीइंग निफ्टी का एलटीपी इज 18036. बैंक निफ्टी एलटीपी, बैंक निफ्टी का क्लोज है कि एलटीपी है? हाँ, दिस इज एलटीपी और इज 41591. लेट्स सी हाउ थिंग्स गो. Price action works very good in Forex. Yes, it's supposed to, but you have to be very, 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 very prompt. What do I mean by that? I'll open my terminal for you so you're able to get a better idea. But you have to be very extremely fast because Forex prices, you'll go mad. Because if you remember, last week or last to last week, we had FOMC, right? FOMC meeting where Bitcoin new low. Damn. FOMC में क्या हुआ? Rate hike 75 basis points for America, which means I think they're at 4% right now, interest rates. वो time पे if you would have taken a look at DXY, I'll try to see if you can if we can go there. छोटे time frame के chart पे. It was a horrible candle. अगर कोई बेचारा आदमी वो कैंडल पे फंसा होता ना, that would be honestly traumatizing for that person. Why is it not going? Show me the recent data, my man. Yeah, I think one of these candles itself. You can see it is very choppy. So it's great if you are able to catch the move. If you aren't able to catch the move, तो फिर you need to be very careful. So this is DXY. This is dollar index. If you want to look at a very popular pair, you look at Euro USD. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं. But again, forex trading in India is a gray area. So अगर आपको ट्रेड करना है, सोचो समझो, लॉज देखो और फिर करो करना है तो. So yeah, you can make price action related analyses in forex, but then ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा आपको. Where is this here? In which platform do you trade forex? So I am a teacher for xm.com. I am xm.com's India educator. So I don't think I can give a very unbiased answer to that, Harsha. But what I can tell you is that if you are looking for the most legal and the most hassle-free, Indian forex derivatives, then it's available on NSE. And NSE you can trade on any major broker, Upstocks, Zerodha, Fires, whichever. I'm not going to recommend a particular broker either, because I'm not affiliated to any particular one outside of affiliate links and all. So that's why वो चूज कर सकते हो. फॉरेक्स ब्रोकर की बात आती है, at that time I have to be a little cautious because I'm associated with a forex broker, so I have to make that association known in the interest of transparency. That's my YouTube channel, by the way. Do check it out. Do subscribe to the channel. A lot of stuff that is posted every single day regularly. Rohit, I can't answer your question. I told you I have a biased opinion. I can't talk ill of platforms. And I can't praise a platform either. What I will tell you is that if you Google me, then you will be able to find this website. I'll just send the website to you. This is the website that you will find if you Google me. xm.com/Hindi webinars. XM, they've been advertising a lot. So I do webinars with them, which is why I have a bias, and which is why there's that thing when I can't really review a broker. But yeah, if you want to attend forex webinars with me, कर लो. वहाँ पे हिंदी है, so if you're too acquainted to English, or if you're like अरे हिंदी नहीं आती हमें, then you might face some problems. Otherwise, do join for that. Yeah, I think we can wrap up the session. Looks good on YouTube also. Cool. All right. I don't trade commodities, Atul. Commodities is not something I've done yet. Maybe if I have the time, maybe if I want to, after the exam, I might. So let's see. Anyway, आज के लिए इतना ही था. हम लोग मिलते हैं Tuesday को. Tuesday on Creator, Tuesday live stream. Otherwise, if you are on YouTube, तो आपको हम मिलेंगे weekend पे. Stocks are a better investment, Naveen, at least based on how things are looking like in crypto. Crypto और ऊपर जा सकता है, sure, we can see 100-200% return ऐसे, but risk, I don't want anyone to take additional risk, which is why I don't really speak very highly of crypto, or I don't speak about crypto. Highly तो छोड़ो, दूसरी बात होगी. So yeah. My pleasure. Thanks everyone for अटेंडिंग द लाइव स्ट्रीम। मिलते हैं हम लोग ट्यूसडे को या वीकेंड को इफ यू आर ऑन यूट्यूब, and I will see all of you later. Thank you. Happy trading, happy analysis. Have a great day ahead.